We're going to make more game day eats. That's right. The big game is this weekend, and I'm going to make some Firecracker hot wings, because can you really watch football without eating hot wings? I don't think you can. I don't think you can. So let's get into it. But before we do, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that notification bell so you will get an update every time I post delicious recipes just like this one. We've got our chicken wings here. Make sure they are nice and clean, and then pat them dry because we don't want any extra moisture on them. We're going to cut these wings into sections, or you can buy them already cut. Then we're going to season them. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Now, how much cayenne pepper should you use? That is up to you. And I call these Firecracker hot wings because our heat is going to come from two different places. It's going to come from this from this cayenne pepper, and then from some hot sauce. Because after we season the chicken wings with this nice spicy blend, then we're going to roast it, and then we're going to make a sauce, traditional buffalo sauce with butter and hot sauce. Simmer that down and then dunk the chicken in that sauce. So we're going to have heat from our cayenne pepper in our seasoning blend. And how much you add is up to you. Do you want to add 1 teaspoon? Do you want to add 4 teaspoons? That's on you. Then we're going to get some heat from the hot sauce. I've got my chicken wings all cut up into sections. And don't throw out those wing tips. I actually am just going to roast mine right along with the rest of the wings because that is my favorite part. They get so nice and crunchy. If you don't want to roast them, then you can use them for a stock or a sauce. And here's the pan I've prepared. We're going to roast our chicken wings. Line the pan, a sheet pan, with foil for easy cleanup, and then put a rack on them. I actually use 2 because it's a wide pan, and we want to cover that whole thing. And we're going to roast our chicken wings on a rack. Our wings are all laid out on a rack. You want to make sure you leave a little space in between. You don't want them touching. You want the air to circulate around them so they can get nice and brown and crispy. We're going to pop this in a hot oven. If you want all of the directions, a printable recipe, just check in the description box below, and I'll put a link to the recipe there. Our wings are out of the oven. They're nice and roasted, crispy all around. We'll just dunk them in the hot wing sauce. Now we've got our hot sauce and butter simmering down. Swirl it around, let it simmer together. Pour the sauce over the wings and toss them together. Serve with lots of celery, maybe some carrots. Remember, all the ingredients, the directions are in a link in the description box. And that is it, folks. Firecracker hot wings. They are low carb, delicious, buttery, spicy, hot, and there's a little creamy dressing to go with it. Smells good. All right, let's say it right. That's good. The sauce is hot, but not too hot. That's not the hottest hot sauce, I don't mess with that too much. You can use excuse me, a hot sauce, any hot sauce that you like. The cayenne pepper on there gives it that nice heat that gets to like the back of your throat. It's really good. The skin is still a little bit crispy from roasting, and then when we douse it in the hot sauce and serve it immediately, you get a sauciness and still some of the crispness, so it's good stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and have a delicious day.